Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Wisdom and Wonders. Today, we're diving into the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. Whether you're dealing with stress, uncertainty, or just looking to find a little more peace in your life, Stoicism has some timeless wisdom to offer. So, let's explore the top 5 things Stoicism teaches us that can help us navigate the ups and downs of life. Number 1. Control what you can, and accept what you cannot. One of the core teachings of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. This principle reminds us to focus our energy on what is within our control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, while letting go of things we can't control, like the behavior of others or external events. This mindset can significantly reduce anxiety and stress. Number 2. Embrace adversity. Stoicism teaches us that challenges and hardships are not just obstacles, but opportunities for growth. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most famous Stoics, said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." When we face difficulties, we can choose to see them as chances to strengthen our character and resilience. Number 3. Practice mindfulness. Stoics were advocates of being present and reflective. They believed in the importance of examining our thoughts and feelings. By practicing mindfulness, we can become more aware of our reactions and make more intentional choices. This awareness helps us respond to situations with clarity and composure. Number 4. The power of perspective. Stoicism encourages us to reframe our thoughts. Instead of viewing events as purely negative, we can ask ourselves, what can I learn from this? Or how can this help me grow? By shifting our perspective, we can find meaning in even the most challenging situations. Number 5. Live according to nature. Stoics believed in aligning ourselves with the natural order of the world. This means accepting the impermanence of life and understanding that change is inevitable. By embracing this concept, we can live more harmoniously and appreciate the present moment without clinging to what we cannot control. So there you have it. The top 5 things that Stoicism teaches us. Control what you can. Embrace adversity. Practice mindfulness. Harness the power of perspective. And live according to nature. By integrating these principles into our daily lives, we can cultivate a greater sense of peace and resilience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on philosophy and personal growth. And let us know in the comments, which Stoic principle resonates with you the most. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.